Dear doctors, welcome to our channel. The part 6 of analyzing symptoms and selecting the rubrics. I am Dr. Mansoor Ali, Professor, Government Homeopathy Medical College, Calicut, Kerala of South India. Symptoms plays an important role in unfolding the true image of the sickness. But in practical experience are very difficult to obtain from the sick person and are also difficult to understand or interpret correctly. So this endeavor is to guide you to convert the patient's narrations about himself and his life situations into the language of the homeopathic repertory and materia medica. This work is based on the homeopathic repertories of Kent, Synthesis, Murphy and Complete Repertory. Now in the part 6, we will discuss some interesting rubrics, interesting clinical situations and something related to the history. So the significance of personal history for the personal identity of the patient. Ask about the occupation, his habit, diet, regimen, exercise, etc. Everything we can convert into the language of the repertory. The habit of smoking, alcoholism, extramarital relations, born and brought up at, job, study, status of children, mode of living, and the number of children, antenatal and postnatal development, economic circumstances. These types of things we should cover under the personal history. We can very easily convert this type of personal history into the language of the repertory for a better prescription. Something from the personal history. For example, increased sleep and decreased appetite are common in hypothyroidism. We can arrive at a diagnosis even from the history. Increased sleep and decreased appetite are common in hypothyroidism. But increased appetite, that is common in duodenal ulcer, diabetes mellitus, etc. Increased appetite is common in duodenal ulcer and diabetes mellitus. Appetite decreased in depression, hypothyroid, tuberculosis, malignancy, appendicitis, old age and with less physical activity. So from the history itself we can arrive at a diagnosis or some conclusion. Sleeplessness, that is common in anxiety, mania, schizophrenia, hyperthyroidism, benign hypertrophy of the prostate, change of sleeping place. These are all some reasons for the sleeplessness. And what about the hypersomnia? That is common in hypothyroidism, uremia, depression, anemia, etc. Common in hypothyroidism, uremia or depression. And the patient's sleep in supine position aggravate, that may be in CCF or Burgess disease. Now addiction, usually the patient will not really reveal it, but we have to confirm from the friends and relatives. I will give you one or two clinical situations. A 45-year-old male with a severe pain in the epigastric region refused any type of addiction, but a physician reconfirmed from the wife about the alcoholism since last few years, arrived at a provisional diagnosis of acute pancreatitis. Severe pain in the epigastric region and the doctor suspected addiction but the patient not revealed. But he got the information from the wife and arrived at a diagnosis of acute pancreatitis. A 30-year-old male patient with infertility due to azoospermia. And the history has a painless scrotal swelling since long duration. The varicocele that caused the azoospermia. So we can arrive at some conclusion from the history itself. Now something about family history. Extreme care should be taken while eliciting the family history. Extreme care that should be taken and we'll get lot of information, even the diagnosis from the family history. A 25-year-old female with a painless nodule in the left breast, that is usually benign. But with a positive family history of cancer, that may be probably malignant. So with a positive family history, so that we have to inquire about the family history of cancer. Whenever there is some nodules that is painless in the breast. An 18-year-old male with a non-healing ulcer and not diabetic. The patient is not diabetic, but with a non-healing ulcer, with a positive family history of diabetes mellitus. The physician checked the sugar level and found he is diabetic. Currently, he is not taking any medicine for the diabetes. But from the positive family history, the physician should have some suspicion and have to check the blood sugar level. A 35-year-old female with a lump in the breast informed that her mother-in-law had suffered from carcinoma of breast a few years back. So while eliciting the family history, take extreme care. That may also misleading. So in this case, a 35-year-old female with a lump in the breast informed that her mother-in-law had suffered from the carcinoma of breast. Is it possible to arrive a diagnosis, a professional diagnosis based on this family history? That is not possible because the mother-in-law is not genetically related to her. Mother-in-law is not genetically related to her. So take extreme care while eliciting the family history. A 5-year-old female presented with increased appetite and thirst. When asked about the health status of the family, nothing relevant in husband, in-laws, parents, but Mrs. informed that her younger brother living at parents' home was a known case of diabetes mellitus. Her younger brother that is living at parents' home was a known case of diabetes mellitus. So in this case, the child with the female with increased appetite and thirst, and nothing relevant about the parents, in-laws, but Mrs. informed that her younger brother living at patient's home, parents' home, a case of non-case of diabetes mellitus. A 3-year-old child was admitted with the complaints of fever and convulsion. Parents gave a history of tuberculosis to his grandfather who had died 5 years back. Remember, a 3-year-old child. Parents gave history of tuberculosis to grandfather who died 5 years back. So this information has no significance as the child had never been in contact with the grandfather. Remember, take extreme care while eliciting the family history. The child is only 3 years, but the grandfather died 5 years back. So there is no chance of contact with the grandfather. And why the family history? Because this will create a feeling in the patient that doctor knows all about them. Doctor knows all about us, that he is not only interested in them and their families personally and professionally, but that he takes pain to learn and keep in touch with all their individual peculiarities. The doctor takes pain to learn everything about the family and keep in touch with all their individual peculiarities. Now I will discuss some interesting clinical situations and we'll try to convert that into the language of the repertory. He knocks his head against the wall when he is angry. The child or the person knock his head against the wall when he is angry. The rubric mind striking himself, knocking his against the wall and things. Mind striking. And similar rubric you can find in head chapter also. Head strikes against the wall. Cannot tolerate others receiving appreciation. I will never tolerate it. My subordinate staff receiving some appreciation, or the younger child receiving some appreciation. So the rubric, can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Jealousy, appreciate anything, desire that others shall not. Others shall not appreciate anything other than me. So that rubric is there under the main rubric jealousy. My son never obeys me. My son never obeys me. Can you suggest a rubric for this child? It's a beautiful rubric. That is a disobedience, children in. Disobedience, children in. Family history of heart attack in many members. How you will work out this, and the most important remedy is medoridum. Family history of heart attack in many members, even in the younger age group. Our patient also have some cardiac problem with a family history of heart attack in many members in the family. So the rubric generals family history of heart diseases early. So rubric in synthesis repertory. There is a beautiful rubric family history in synthesis repertory. You will get lot of n number of sub rubrics under the main rubric family history. So generals family history of heart diseases early. In majority of the cases, we are not utilizing the family history, treatment history, or the history of the past illnesses. Simply writing in the case record but not utilizing for the prescription. But with the help of the new generation repertories, we can utilize this type of family history. Feeling that somebody is following him. Always have a feeling that somebody is following him. That's actually a delusion. Delusion. People behind him, someone is. Another rubric under mind fear. Happen something will. Terrible is going to happen something. Something terrible is going to happen to me. He always decided to trick on others. That child always desired to play trick on other children and teachers. The rubric malicious, dirty tricks on others or on their teachers desired to play. He desired to play dirty tricks on other children and the teachers. Fear when reached in an unknown environment or inexperienced circumstances. As an extreme fear or the great fear when reached in unknown environment or in inexperienced circumstances. That rubric is there under the main rubric fear. Alone of being, strange unknown environment in him. Fear, alone of being, strange unknown environment in him. Another rubric, fear new enterprises of undertaking. Fear new enterprise of undertaking. So these are all two rubrics that's related to that particular condition. He or she will do everything in a known place, routine work, but unable to take new enterprise. Angry to others after disappointed love. My daughter is so angry after the disappointed love. It's very easy to work out. Mind, anger, love, disappointed from. Mind, anger, love, disappointed from. His behavior hurt her self-respect. His behavior hurt her self-respect. After that, she never showed humility to him. After that, she never showed humility to him. He misbehaved, and that hurt her self-respect. After that, she never showed humility to him. The rubric, mind haughty, wounded self-esteem from. Wounded self-esteem from. Quarrels for silly things at school. And these are all some common symptoms that we can find out in some children. Quarrels for silly things at school. That's a complaint by the mother. It's very easy to work out. Mind quarrelsome, trifle set. Mind quarrelsome, trifle set. Father had another alliance. He was betraying us. Father had another alliance. He was betraying. So how you will work out it? There is a direct rubric, mind ailments from betrayal or mind betrayal aggravates. These are the two rubrics related to that condition. Had another alliance. Afraid to drive a car himself. Afraid to drive a car himself, that's the issue. He or she can travel in a car, that's not an issue, but afraid to drive himself. The rubric is under the main rubric, anxiety, riding while driving himself. He or she can travel in a car but unable to drive himself. So anxiety, riding while or driving himself. Plays with the buttons of clothes. The child always playing with the buttons of clothes. That is under the main rubric, gestures, makes hands, involuntary motions of the button of his clothes. Play with the buttons of his cloth. That's under the main rubric, gestures. Think that he gets frequently diseased due to the witchcraft done by somebody. He always thinks that he gets frequently diseased due to the witchcraft done by somebody. The rubric is superstitious. Superstitious. Another rubric, fear superstitious. Fear evil of fear, and the thoughts persistent evil of. Thoughts persistent evil of. Fear evil, fear of. Then mind fear superstitious. So these are all some rubrics related to that condition. Aversion to be touched by husband sexually. Otherwise she is okay, but on the sexual matter, aversion to be touched by her husband. The rubric, mind touched, aversion to be sexually, that's a sub rubric. Aversion to be sexual, otherwise she is okay, no issue. Can you suggest a rubric? Who are we? Fat. What do we want to start our diet? When do we want to start? On Monday. Today is Monday. No, we will start on the next Monday. Can you suggest a rubric for this type of personalities or children? They are postponing everything, the homework or the diet or the job, whatever it may be. The rubric is procrastinate. Procrastinate. Postponing everything. Obesity after delivery. This is one of the common complaints in our day-to-day clinical practice. The ladies come after delivery, they want to reduce their weight. So along with the homeopathic remedy, we have to suggest some abdominal exercise also. So the rubric generalities, obesity, delivery, parturition after puerperal. That rubric is there only in complete repertoire by Roger van Zandvoort. Generalities, obesity, delivery, parturition after puerperal. That's a rubric. And then enlarged belly after delivery. Abdomen is enlarged after delivery. Then the rubric, abdomen enlarged mothers after delivery or parturition. That rubric is there in synthesis and complete repertory. Abdomen enlarged mothers after delivery or parturition. Feel he is under the influence of someone powerful. He always or she always feels he is under the influence of someone powerful. Delusion, influence, one is under a powerful. This is a type of delusion. Influence, one is under a powerful. Never spend for his family or house, but spend for others. There are some fathers or the husbands are like this. They never spend for his family or house, but spend for others. The rubric, generous to strangers for. Generous to strangers for. And they are not doing anything for the benefit of the family, but for others only. His ability in decision making lead people to seek his opinion. His ability in decision making, very powerful decision making. He can make a decision on any controversial or complicated matter that led people to seek his opinion. Can you work out or suggest a rubric for this condition? Rubric, mind decisive, decision making power. Talking nonsense in inappropriate context. In inappropriate context, talking nonsense. The rubric, speech nonsensical. She becomes introvert after her delivery. She became introvert. This is also a common complaint in our clinical practice. The lady became introvert after her delivery. Remember, the rubric is quiet disposition to delivery after. Quiet disposition to delivery after. So we have to select this type of specific rubric instead of selecting the rubric depression, sadness, etc. etc. I toiled a lot for my family. None of the members become successful in life. I had a desire to go for higher studies. No one helped and dreams remain unaccomplished. This is a complaint by a lady. I toiled a lot for my family. None of the members become successful in life. I also had a desire to go for higher studies. No one helped and dreams remain unaccomplished. Can you suggest a good rubric for this condition? That is ailments from disappointment. That is the rubric we have to take. Ailments from disappointment. He dresses differently and does charitable activities to be noticed by others. He dresses differently to be noticed by others, and along with that he is doing some charitable activities to be noticed by others. The rubric delusion distinguished. That is one rubric. Another rubric in synthesis repertory, exclusive. These are all the two rubrics that we can work out in this type of personality. Delusion distinguished, and another rubric exclusive. He speaks very less, answers in one word. He or she speaks very less and answers in one word in our clinic. The rubric laconic. Headache when working on the computer. That's very common for the IT professionals and the office workers. Headache when working on the computer. Head pain. This headache that's working on the computer ameliorates. That means the head pain occupation ameliorates. So in this case, that complains or his headache ameliorates by working on the computer. So we can interpret it as head pain occupation ameliorates. Head pain occupation ameliorates. Haven't received breast milk from mother. That's the reason for his complaint. Haven't received breast milk from the mother. We can take the rubric generalities, ailments from mother's milk in nursing, lack of. Mother's milk in nurslings, lack of. That's a rubric. If the child is not received breast milk properly from mother, and that resulted in some ailments, especially the allergic complaints. That rubric is there in the synthesis repertory. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Possessiveness, that we already discussed, possessiveness. He committed suicide after he was caught cheating in the examination hall. How you will work out? Some students, they will commit suicide after caught in the examination hall for cheating or for some other malpractices like the copying from other students or from piece of paper. They will commit suicide. The rubric honor wounded or mind ailments from honor wounded. She committed suicide as she had no opportunity or means to study. She committed suicide because she had no opportunity or means to study. So how you will work out the situation? Or attempted suicide also. Mind ambition deceived. The rubric ambition deceived. Keeps recalling old sad events. How you will work out it? He always recalling old sad events. The rubric dwells, recalled old grievances. And there is a great difference between the rubric brooding and dwells. Brooding for the recent depression, or dwells that she recalled the old and the old sad events for the remote depression. The etiology is remote. Lack of warmth and security of a home and family. The child didn't receive the love, care, warmth and security of the family or home. Ailments from warmth and security at home, lack of. That is a rubric in that case. We have to work out for that children. Ailments from warmth and security at home, lack of. Eructation when painful parts are pressed. Eructation when painful parts are pressed. The rubric stomach eructations, pressing painful parts when pressing on. When pressing on the painful parts, he or she will get eructation. She becomes sick often after a snake bite. After a snake bite, she becomes sick often. The rubric generals wounds, bites, snakes of chronic complaints after. Chronic complaints after snake bite. That rubric is there in synthesis repertory, generalities, wounds. Child does not sleep in the day or night. Not only in day but also on night. The rubric sleep chapter, sleeplessness, daytime children in and night. That's a combined rubric, both in day and night. The child is not sleeping. Another rubric, irritability, children in, sleepless day and night. These are all the two rubrics. Irritability, children in, sleepless day and night. Constipation from hernia. Because of hernia or along with the hernia, this individual has constipation. Abdomen, hernia, inguinal region, constipation with obstinate. That's a rubric in complete repertory. Abdomen, hernia, inguinal region, constipation with obstinate. Then abdomen, hernia, abdominal, umbilical, accompanied by constipation. That's a rubric in synthesis repertory. Abdomen, hernia, umbilical, accompanied by constipation. Then ability to study well at night. She can study only at night and study well at night also. Mind, memory, active, evening, midnight, until. That's a rubric in synthesis repertory. Memory, active in the evening, midnight, until. Then another rubric in complete repertory. Mind, memory, active at night. Mind, ideas, abundant too at night. Another rubric in complete repertory. Ideas abundant at night. Mind, comprehension, easy at night. Another rubric from synthesis repertory. Comprehension is very easy at night. She can read and study very well at night only. Takes much time to comprehend something. Take much time to comprehend something. Reflecting, inability to reflect. Or comprehension difficult. You can take that rubric also. Comprehension difficult. Reflecting, inability to reflect, that's the main rubric. Highly alert, even about small matters. My parents or my father is highly alert, even about small matters. Rubric, cautious. Traveling here and there without any specific route or destination. Without any specific route or destination. Rubric, mind wandering. Mind wandering. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? They asked her, how did you convince your child to read instead of playing with smart devices? The mother is reading, the child also reading. The answer, children don't hear us, they imitate us. Both the child and the parent, the mother reading. So the children don't hear us, but they imitate us. So the rubric in that case is impressionable. If the parents read books, obviously the children will read books. Rather, if we keep on looking into our mobile phones, they will do it. They also will do the same thing. So impressionable, that means easily influenced. Children are highly impressionable and susceptible to advertising. Another context. Impressionable, that means easily influenced. That is a rubric in that case. Food passes to the airways in children frequently. Food passes into the airways, especially in children, and frequently also. The rubric, throat, food passing into posterior nares. Food passing into posterior nares. Expression remains same. Cannot say whether he is sad or happy. How you will work out this condition? Expression remains same. Cannot say whether he is sad or happy. Face, expression vacant. That's rubric is there in the chapter. Face, expression vacant. He is very innocent or she is very innocent. Main rubric, naive. Naive. Believes whatever is told to him. She believes whatever is told to him or her. Credulous, that's the main rubric, credulous. She committed suicide as she was left alone after her daughter's marriage. She was left alone, complains from being left alone. The related rubric, desolate, desolate. Brooding suicidal disposition with another rubric. Suicidal disposition, grief from. These are all some rubric related to that condition, the suicide attempt. Suicidal disposition, grief from, or the suicidal disposition, brooding in. The desolate, that is the main rubric. Does not express love. The father not expressing love, or the husband not expressing the love. Love children for, daughter for, limited in expression of it, but extreme love for the daughters or the husband or wife, whatever it may be, but limited in expression. They are not expressing the love, even though they are loving their children or husband or wife. He was admitted to a Malayalam medium school or a regional language school from an English medium school. As he made mistakes while reading a chapter in the class, other students laughed at him. Now he say he is not going to the school anymore. How you will work out this case? From a regional language school to an English medium school. He made a mistake while reading a chapter in the class. Other students laughed at him. Now he says he is not going to school anymore. The related rubrics: mind ailments from insult, offended easily. Ailments from insult. Another rubric: mind insults, offenses, ailments from aggravates, in complete repertory. Insults, offenses, ailments from. But in synthesis repertory, mind ailments from insult. That is a rubric in that case. Back pain from fasting. Back pain during fasting period. Back pain, fasting aggravates. That's a rubric. Back pain, fasting aggravates. Whatever problem he has, he remains unaffected and peaceful. Can you suggest a rubric? Whatever problem he has, he remains unaffected and peaceful. Tranquility, problems, not bothered by little. Not bothered by little problems. Tranquility, remain in a calm position, peaceful and unaffected. Desire for drinks like Pepsi, Mirinda, etc. or the Coke. How you will work out? An extreme desire for the carbonated drinks. The rubric: generalities, food and drinks, carbonated drinks desire for. Carbonated drinks desire for. Speaks high about himself when in company with friends. When in company with friends, he always speaks quite high of himself. Egotism, speaks always about themselves in a company. That is rubric is under the main rubric: egotism, speaking always about themselves in company. Taking medicine doses larger than prescribed in order to get a faster relief. The patient is taking medicines in doses larger than prescribed in order to get faster relief. The rubric: mind medicine, drugs, swallow large doses of desire to for instant relief. That rubric is there in complete repertory only. Mind medicine, swallow large doses, desire to for instant relief. Taking large doses of painkillers. In this case, the patient is taking painkillers. Another interesting rubric from the complete repertory: mind medicine, drugs, swallow large doses of desire to antibiotics and painkillers. Desire to take large doses of painkillers or antibiotics. He is always bothered about his matters and works for him alone. Never think if anybody else will be disturbed by that. Never thinks if anybody else will be disturbed by that. Can you suggest some rubrics related to this condition? Always bothered about himself only. It is very easy to work out. Selfishness, egoism, occupied at first with himself and beside with others for his own profit and loss of others. That's one beautiful rubric in complete repertory. Selfishness, egoism, occupied at first himself and beside with others for his own profit and loss for others. Another rubric: thought himself about, cannot think of anyone besides. That's a rubric in synthesis repertory. Thoughts himself about, cannot think of anyone besides. So selfishness, egoism, that's a beautiful sub-rubric in complete repertory. He was very good in his studies but failed in exam for the first time and cannot sleep afterwards. For the first time in the history of his education, he failed, even though he was very good in his studies, and that resulted in some problem, some mental and emotional problem to the child, and he cannot sleep afterwards. This is the first time he is failing. The rubric sadness, failure to accomplish from. Another main rubric, that is because of egotism. Then third rubric, sleeplessness, grief from. These are all three rubrics related to this case. Sadness, failure to accomplish from. Then another condition, that is because of his ego. I am not a person to fail, but unfortunately I failed. That resulted in some problem. That may be because of egotism. And the third rubric, sleeplessness, grief from. Does not finish homework in the right time. Always postponing. The rubric, postponing or procrastinate. Two different rubrics are available with the same medicine, postponing or procrastinate. Feels the present events have already occurred in the past. He always feels that the present events have already occurred in the past. Deja vu, confounding present with past. That's the second rubric. Confounding present with past. Delusions, third rubric. Experienced before, thought everything had been. He thought everything had been experienced before. That's a rubric, sub-rubric under the main rubric, delusion. She cannot say no to anybody. The main rubric, servile, and another one, yielding disposition. Servile, that type of personalities, they cannot say no to anybody. Then yielding disposition. Sometimes behave obediently and at times opposite. My husband sometimes behave, or my child sometimes behave obediently and at another time opposite. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? A beautiful rubric in complete repertory. Mind servile, obsequious and submissive, alternating with rebelliousness. Sometimes my son is behaving very roughly, other time very obediently. So that rubric is there in complete repertory. He complains unnecessarily. Unnecessarily complaining. The rubric, petulant, impatient, dissatisfaction with the complaint. Always complaining. Impatient, dissatisfaction. The rubric, that is petulant. Feels that others get their things done by pressurizing him. He feels that the other subordinate staff, they get their things done by pressurizing him. Delusion, performing, pressured by those about him to perform. Pressured by those about him to perform. Do you have any disease? Usually the patient will say no. But if you ask something about do you take any medication? Then they will explain everything about their medication. So take care while eliciting the treatment history or the past history. Do you have any disease? Usually they will say no. But if you ask, do you take any medication? Then they will explain about their disease and medication. Sleeplessness from thought about work to be done in the daytime. That's a condition in some elderly people. Sleeplessness from thoughts about work to be done in the daytime. The rubric, sleeplessness, chaos from daily. Sleeplessness, chaos from daily. That rubric is there in synthesis repertory. Sleep as if drugged. Sleeps as if drugged, but not drugged. The rubric, sleepiness, soporific as after a. Sleepiness, soporific as after a. That's the rubric for the sleep as if drugged. During the anti-citizenship law protest period, despite being a government servant, the fear of being exiled from his country made his life miserable. This is explained by one patient recently. He actively participated in this Citizenship Law Protest Act. But he is always a government servant. But still the fear of being exiled from his country made his life miserable. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Delusion, misfortune, inconsolable over imagined misfortune. That's the rubric we took for that patient in this case. Delusion, misfortune, inconsolable over imagined misfortune. His best friend cheated him in the business. They started. It's a partnership business. His best friend cheated him in the business partnership. They started. The thoughts of that bitter happenings continuously disturb him. These are some common clinical conditions in our day-to-day clinical practice. The thoughts of that bitter happening continuously disturb him. The rubric, mind ailments from friendship deceived. Ailments from friendship deceived or cheated. I couldn't oppose or defend my stepmother who kept on hurting my sister. So I became an alcoholic to suppress my anger. I couldn't oppose or defend my stepmother who kept on hurting my sister. And I became an alcoholic to suppress my anger. We are discussing this type of clinical situations. These are all something explained by our patients in our OPD. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? The rubric, mind ailments from anger, indignation with. Complaints from suppressed grief and anger. Complaints from suppressed anger and complaints from suppressed grief together. That's the meaning of indignation. He is intelligently tough but physically weak. She is intelligently tough but physically weak. The rubric, intelligent, weakness with muscular. Intelligent, weakness with muscular. Intelligent though physically weak. The rubric, mind intelligence, weakness with muscular. My child always get hurried. My child always get hurried. The rubric, mind hurry children in. Feels the head is shivering, though not visible to others. She feels that the head is shivering, though not visible to others. Can you suggest a rubric? Delusion, head shaking the head. That's one rubric. Another one, head, in the chapter head, shaking sensation. So delusion, head shaking the head, or in the chapter head, shaking sensation. Drinks water frequently due to dryness of throat. She always drink water frequently due to the dryness of throat. Generalities, dryness, sensation, or generalities, dryness of the internal parts. Generalities, dryness of the internal parts, or generalities, dryness, sensation of. These are the two rubrics we can work out in this condition. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Head weight that we have to carry. Egotism. Patient who is always late into the clinic. She always not coming to the clinic on proper time, or not reaching the school on proper time, always late, or not reaching the office on proper time. Not only on 1 or 2 days, but always she is late. The rubric, mind late always. Cannot do anything without husband's help. She cannot do anything without the support of the husband. The rubric, dependent partner in complete repertory. Dependent partner. Comply to the wishes of others or dependent on others. These are the two rubrics in synthesis repertory. Comply to the wishes of others. Another rubric, dependent on others. Her hobby is to correct the mistake of others. Her main hobby is to correct the mistake of others. The rubric, rectify, desire to. Rectify, desire to. Despite having completed the MBA, he keeps on buying vehicles and desires to be a driver. He wants to be a driver, but he completed the course of MBA. Keeps on buying some type of vehicles and desires to be a driver. This is a complaint by a mother. So we can take it as either monomania. His mind is directed towards one issue only. Another one, driving desire for. And the third rubric, driving car desire for. That is their incomplete repertory. She makes relation with many men, but they are ignorant about it. Can you suggest a rubric for this lady? She makes relations with many men, but that men, they are not ignorant about it. The two rubric, coquettish, that's the main rubric. Another rubric is deceitful, that means cheating. Coquettish. She thinks that no one other than her could do the household work perfectly. Some others have this type of habit. Other than me, nobody can do the household work perfectly. She does not leave the house even for a pilgrimage because of that. It's a condition by a patient in our clinic. She does not leave even the house for a pilgrimage and think that without her the house will become destroyed and nothing will be in an order. So she thinks that other than her could do the household work perfectly. No one. So she does not leave even for a pilgrimage. The rubric, incomplete repertory, industrious household affairs. Another rubric, anxiety, household affairs about. The industry, household affairs, that rubric is there in synthesis repertory also. Industrious household affairs in. Then anxiety, household affairs about. That's the rubric, incomplete repertory. She is always sick since the new daughter-in-law came to the house. After the arrival of the new daughter-in-law, she always sick. We can select two rubrics, related rubric in this case, jealousy, appreciate anything, desire other than shall. Other than me, nobody should appreciate. That is the reason for the elderly daughter-in-law, the problem for the elderly daughter-in-law. When a new daughter-in-law came to the house, she always feels sick. Another rubric, jealousy, value or appreciate anything, desire that others shall not. Others shall not appreciate anything other than me. He faints down in all events. When somebody comes and console him, he will be right. He faints down in all marriage party or any type of events. When somebody comes and console him, he will be right. The three rubrics in this case, feigning sick to be, then attention desire to be, and the third rubric is hysteria. Select any one of these rubrics depending upon the nature of the patient. He keeps trying hard to establish his lies to be right. His lies to be right. He keeps trying too hard for that. The rubric, positiveness. And right always claim to be, another rubric. Then pertinacity, persist in one thing even if others disagree. Then magnetized desire to be. Magnetized desire to be. These are some 3 or 4 related rubric in that particular condition. Fear of getting the medicines antidoted. Fear of getting the medicines antidoted by some coffee or some other things. The rubric, fear antidoting his homeopathic remedies of. Mind fear antidoting his homeopathic remedies of. Cannot get things done fast enough. Doctor, I can't do things fast enough. The rubric, hurry movements in, fast enough cannot do things. Cannot do things fast enough, movements in hurry. That's a rubric. Sleeplessness after disappointed love. Can you suggest a rubric? Sleep, sleeplessness. Pain with, heart of, love disappointed from. So sleeplessness, love disappointed from. Teacher gave him homework to draw a cat. Thanks God, she didn't set to draw horse or cow. See that beautiful picture. Sleepless at night, sleepy by the day. Can you suggest a rubric? The child or the adult is sleepless at night but sleepy by the day. The rubric: sleep chapter, sleeplessness, night, sleeps by day. That's rubric in synthesis repertory. Mental tension from disturbed sleep. Mental tension from disturbed sleep. The rubric: mind, anxiety, sleep, loss of sleep from. Mind, anxiety, sleep, loss of sleep from. Faints at the sight of blood. The child faints or she faints at the sight of blood. The rubric: generalities, faintness, blood at sight of. Then mind unconsciousness, blood at sight of. That is another rubric. Always tells lies. He or she or the child always tells lies. Liar. The rubric: mind, liar. Show the right hand when asked to show the left hand. The child show the right hand when asked to show the left. The rubric: mind mistakes, side about, left and right. This rubric is available both in the complete repertory and synthesis repertory. Fainted person become conscious when water is sprinkled on him. Fainted person become conscious when water is sprinkled on him. Generalities: faintness, water on him ameliorates by dashing cold. Another rubric: mind unconsciousness, cold water dashed in face ameliorates. Then the third rubric: generalities, faintness, transient. So these are the three rubrics we can take in that condition. Angry and sad after being sexually abused. She feels very sad and angry after being sexually abused. Mind ailments from abused after being sexually. Ailments from abused after being sexually. Feels humiliated after sexual abuse. She feels humiliated after sexual abuse. Humiliated feeling sexual abuse after. The main remedy is carcinosinum. Mind humiliated feeling sexual abuse after. So in order to get rid of that condition, we have to give carcinosinum in high potency. She still keeps the belongings of her childhood. Old bus tickets or the old ornaments. She still keeps the belongings of her childhood. Can you suggest a good rubric for this condition? The rubric is sentimental. Sentimental. Patients who search everything about their disease in the internet and come for the consultation after doing all the essential laboratory investigation. That means the Google patient. Nowadays this type of patients are more. They search everything in the internet and they do all investigations. Then only they will come to the doctor. Google patient, otherwise it is called as Google patient. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? It's very difficult to handle this type of personalities. Mind anxiety, health about one's health. That is because of their constant anxiety, they are searching everything, always searching in the internet. Another rubric: anxiety, hypochondriacal. Even though all the investigations are normal, they are still afraid. Anxiety, hypochondriacal. Interested by mystic sciences. He is interested in mystic sciences. Mind inquisitive, sciences into occult. That's a rubric in complete repertory. Occult science. Takes every discussion to political matters or lead every discussion that ultimately end up in political matters. Politics, occupied with the politics too. The second rubric: discuss, political dispute inclined to. Discuss, political disputes inclined to. Always demand to the doctor to cure him very soon. He is repeatedly demanding, doctor, please cure me at the earliest, please cure me at the earliest. So which rubric you will work out for that patient? Impatient, cure him at once, doctor should. That is a sub-rubric. Under the main rubric, impatience. Cure him at once, the doctor should. So we have to take this type of specific rubric, then we will definitely get the results. We have to observe the patient, listen to the patient. Everything given by the patient can be converted into the language of the repertory. Refuses to do investigation due to the fear about mental tension from getting confirmed or having a disease. Some patients are like that. They will refuse investigations because of fear of confirmation of some grave diseases. So that's why they are refusing the investigations. So we can take the rubric indifference, important things too. And the second rubric refusing treatment every. He refusing treatment every, or it may be due to the indifference to important things. The teenager says that she is keenly watched by her family. Keenly watched by my brother or by my father. The teenager says that she is keenly watched by her family. The rubric is simple: delusion, watched being. Delusion, watched being. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? She likes to get her mother along with her mother. Currently, she is not with her mother. The rubric: forsaken feeling. Forsaken feeling. My blood sugar level got lowered by taking some herbs, not from the medicine prescribed by the doctor. Doctor, you gave me some medicines last time. I took that medicine, but my sugar level reduced because of not because of your treatment, but I think because I took some herbs. So you have to take the rubric discontent. That means the patient is not satisfied with your treatment. Though not using, he still keeps his first car, first house, etc. with him. Now he is not using his first car and the things used in the earlier, but still he is keeping. The two rubric, sentimental, and the second rubric, attached very, and sentimental. Feels better from physical exertion. He feels better after doing some work. Generalities, exertion, physical ameliorates. Generalities, exertion, physical ameliorates. Feels well while getting sweat from physical activity. The patient feels well after the perspiration from some physical activity. Can you suggest the rubric for this condition? Cheerful, perspiration during. Clarity of mind, perspiration during. Two rubrics are there. One is cheerful, perspiration during, and the second one, the clarity of mind after doing some work and the perspiration during. Severe pain from touch of cloth at the spot of surgery, but no pain when examined. The patient experienced a type of pain of clothes by the touch of clothes on the spot of surgery, but no pain when examined. The rubric: generalities, touch aggravate, slight pressure, but hard pressure ameliorates. That's rubric in complete repertory. Generalities, touch aggravates slight, but hard pressure ameliorates. Another rubric from synthesis repertory: generalities, pressure, slight aggravates, hard pressure ameliorates. These are the two rubrics we can work out in this condition. So which rubric you will work out for trichotillomania? The habit of pulling the hair. The chapter head, hair, pulls, hair on. Head, hair, pulls, hair on. In some properties that is listed under the chapter mind, pulls, hair on, hair. I brought a new house. Then the neighbors told me that those who brought this house either encountered accident or committed suicide. So this may be a rented house. I brought a rented house or purchased a rented house. But the neighbors told me that those who brought this house either encountered accident or committed suicide. Now I feel trapped. Now I feel trapped because I already purchased it. The rubric: delusion, trapped he is. Delusion, trapped he is. As the senior doctor was absent, the patient asked the junior doctor to write the same medicine given by the senior doctor previously. This may happen in our OPD or in the clinic also. The patient wants the same medicine prescribed by the senior doctor, not by your medicine, not by your selection. That means They are not satisfied with your treatment. Discontent patients. They lack confidence. Discontent. Coldness of the foot in sleep during night. Coldness of the foot in sleep during night. Extremities, coldness, foot, night bedding. So we have discussed a lot of interesting clinical situation and converted them into the language of the repertory. All these symptoms that is explained by the patients in our OPD, in our college. So the only way to master the art of case taking, that is going through the cases of different age group. Take the cases of different age group, then only we can master the art of case taking and try to convert every word, symptoms or the conditions explained by the patient into the language of the repertory. That is the only way to master the repertory. Try to convert all the symptoms given by the patient both in acute and chronic disease into the language of the repertory. That is the only way to master the art of repertorization. So please visit our Facebook page, Homeopathy Homeo Book, and if you have any suggestions, comments or doubts, please post to the comment section of this video. We will try to reply and we will definitely support you. So please subscribe to our channel, youtube.com/drmansoorali, this channel for more videos like this, and the part 7 that will be available soon in the YouTube. So thank you for your patient listening, and please visit our website homeobook.com. That's we will decide to have everything on homeopathy in homeobook.com. So keep in touch, and that's all for the time being. Thank you.